In this video, we will see how to fix Birdfy app login failed to load error. Sign into the troubleshooting guide. So guys, first of all check for the server outage. Sometimes login error are caused by backend server or domain provider issues. So you check the official media page such as Backyard Bird Lover Facebook group to see if other users are also reporting the same issue. If there is a system-wide issue, so you will need to wait to Birdfy to resolve it. Update the Birdfy app. Running an outdated version of the app can cause the login and to fail. So open your app or the Google Play Store, search for the Birdfy and tap the option of update. A new version is available. Alternatively, method go to the avatar icon in the app, appear the right corner and update the version. Then clear app cache. For clear the app cache, go to the settings, select the Birdfy app, then storage and clear the data. Then iOS and uninstall the Birdfy application completely and restart your phone and download it again from your device. Fix 4 is check your internet connection. Ensure your phone has the strong internet connection. If you are trying to log in while connected to the 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, so you switch to your 2.4 GHz network or use the mobile data or the smart feeder and their corresponding app. Sometimes struggle on the 5 GHz during the login, handshake the process. Last thing is guys, check your password constraint. If you are repeatedly getting the login error, so your password might contain unsupported character, so try to resetting your password via login screen and make sure it uses standard letter and number without special social symbols. So guys, these are the things that you can try to fix this. So guys, thank you.